In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to customize Logitech G203. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to access the customization options for your G203 and customize the lighting, the assignments, all of the buttons, the sensitivity, and so on. You will be able to customize everything about the G203 and save it as a profile. You can have the profile always active or only for specific games and applications. So first, connect it to your PC, laptop, MacBook, whatever you have, and then you will need to download the Logitech G Hub software. You can find it available on the Logitech website. So go over to logitechg.com and hover over software, select the G Hub, and you will find the download options for Windows or Mac OS. And of course, you can always look for G Hub on Google if you prefer. Just make sure that you access the official Logitech website. Once you download this application, just open it up. If your G203 is currently connected to your PC, it will automatically appear on the list of devices. You will notice that I don't have a G203 at the moment. I apologize. I only have the G502, but I'm still going to demonstrate the same steps. So in general, all that you have to do is click on the specific mouse that you are using, and you will find all the options. At the left, you have the categories, so things like sensitivity, assignments, and lighting if your specific model has RGB, and you will be able to customize it. So you can create various different DPI profiles and use the DPI button to switch between them, or you can have only one, which is what I did. I don't use the DPI button, and you will be able to completely disable that specific button, or you can do new assignments. So you will find plenty of commands, options, keys, recommendations here, and you can even create macros to assign to these different side buttons, middle buttons, and so on. You can customize everything, and it will be saved as a profile. You have the main one that is always active, or you can create specific profiles for specific games and applications. I hope I was able to help you on how to customize Logitech G203. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.